Hey guys, what is up? In this video, I'm going to share with you one of the lessons that I've learned after scaling ad accounts from zero to spending 50,000 rupees per day. And this is a lesson in regards to, of course, Facebook ads. But how many ad creatives do you really need? At what budget when you are scaling from say 0 to up to 10,000 per day? So how many ad creatives, unique creatives, are you going to require in order to scale your ad account with some stability in your performance so that you experience less fluctuation and have more peaceful profits at scale? So in this video, I'm going to give you the roundabout figure that I've realized and I've observed, and we now have SOPs and frameworks around it that we follow at our agency. But I'm just going to tell you the number of creatives you require, and just to give you a little context and background to it, so that you know why you should even choose to listen to me. So I took one of my own funnels, from 0 to 1.5 crores in about 12 months. And then I lost it all, right? So like I took it to 1.5 crores and then I failed at it. And this was the time, which was in 2022. And I was at that point, my ads for that particular funnel was actually being handled by an ad agency, and I had it outsourced. I did not have an ad agency at that point. This is 2022, May of 2022, okay? And that failure led to making me launch Impact Excel, which is the advertising agency that I run now. So this is that little background to it. From there, now we have scaled multiple funnels to 8 figures, and we have spent about 1 crore on Facebook ads in the last 12 months. That's another, just if you want to understand how much money I've spent on Facebook ads in the last 12 months recently. So about 1 crore total. So far, we have done combined 5 crores collectively across all the portfolio of clients we have. Scaled ad accounts from 0 to 50,000 per day, 30,000 per day, 20,000 per day. So we have, like, I have got a good amount of understanding of what kind of, requirements are there when it comes to the number of ad creatives, basically, as per the budget that you're running. And I'll tell you the reason why it is important is because of that failure that I experienced, right? And when I started to understand why I failed to scale more, then I realized this to be one of the reasons. So that was just the context, not to brag, but to tell you, it was a humble brag, you can say. Just wanted to tell you that why you should even bother and take out time from your busy schedule and just spend like a few minutes here. Now coming to the ad creatives, okay? So I have a note of things here. So I'm just going to tell you what it exactly is, and you can make a note of it, okay? So here's what it is. Let me just put it up. So I'm going to give it to you till up to 10,000 rupees in ad spend daily, okay? So this is like up to 10,000 daily. This is from my own experience. So if you're running an ad budget in India, targeting India as your target audience market, even internationally, honestly, it's the same. If you're doing 1,000 per day, you're going to require 2 unique winners, okay? So when I say unique, I mean you can't just run the same ad creative and just switch the ad copy or stuff like that. You need 2 unique winners to have consistency in your performance at 1,000 per day. Till the time you do not have 2 unique winners, you cannot scale without fluctuations. As you start to scale without 2 unique winners, from 500 to 1,000 to 2,000 and beyond, you are 100% going to experience fluctuations sooner or later. So you might as well prepare for it in advance, okay? Next is 2,000 rupees per day. If you're spending 2,000 rupees per day, you're going to require 3 to 4 winners, right? For going from 1,000 to 2,000 per day. And for this, you're going to require 2 unique winners, 2 unique ad concepts, and 1 to 2 could be an iteration or a variation of one of the unique winners, okay? But in total, you're going to require 3 to 4 winners. Next is 3,000 per day. If you're running 3,000 per day, you're going to require 4 to 5 winners. And out of the 4 to 5 winners, you're going to require 3 unique winners. Then comes 4,000 to 5,000 per day. You're going to require 5 to 6 winners. And then you're going to require 4 unique concepts as your winners when you are at 4 to 5,000 per day. Then you go from 6,000 to 10,000 within that range per day. you're going to require 7 to 10 winners, and out of which minimum is 6 unique winners. Okay, so these are like the benchmarks, and whatever numbers I've given you are like the minimum when it comes to the unique winners, the unique ad concepts. And these are the minimum you require as per the budget if you go take it from 0 to like 10,000 per day. Till the time you don't follow this that I've shared with you, you will not experience that stability in your ad performance. So the game here is that you have to, so say for example, if you're spending 2,000 per day and now you're planning to scale and you want to double the budget and you want to have some peace at scale. So how you need to plan for scale is that when you're spending 2,000 per day, now you want to start testing different and trying to find unique ad ideas, unique ad concepts and angles that become winners. So you have to first phase, when you enter the scaling phase at any given point, right? Like consider scaling in different stages. Like you go from 2,000 per day to, let's say, then you go from 4,000 per day, right? So consider that going from 2,000 per day to 4,000 per day, consider this scale in different stages. Stage 1 before you scale is to test, launch and test new ad creatives, find winners. That's your first stage. And think about it, if you're running 2,000 per day on an ad account and you want to now scale from 2,000 to 4,000 per day, and now before you do that, you want to find a new winner, then you're going to increase the budget, because you will spend, say for example, you're going to spend 1,000 per day to find new ad ideas, right? So from the ad accounts perspective, you are actually scaling, because the overall budget is increasing. So, but it's a very different approach to it. And one of the common mistakes I see people make. So you have to follow this, what I've shared with you, and you will thank me later for it. And right now, I'll tell you, we have taken with 10 to 11 unique creative concepts, ad accounts spending 50,000 per day. And we do experience some fluctuations when we go to like such a high spend. But even at such a high spend, we get a cost per purchase with, like, as per the industry standards, much better than anybody else would get, usually, as far as I know, as I've heard other people say. And this is all because I follow this, of course, a lot of other things, but this is one of the most key components that helps us maintain some sort of stability in our ad performance. And I'm sure that if you do this, you will experience the same kind of stability, or at least less fluctuations. That's pretty much about it. Let me know what you think about it. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.